In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to an image in OpenArt. By the end, you'll be able to place clean, readable text on any image, style it to match your design, and export a crisp PNG you can share anywhere. Start on the OpenArt homepage, hover over the image section to reveal your editing options, then choose Edit Image. This opens the editor where you'll bring in your picture. Upload an image from your device. Larger, high-quality images give you sharper results, especially if you plan to share or print. Once your image is in the editor, look to the upper left and click the text icon. Your cursor will switch to let you place a text box. Click directly on the area of the image where you want your words to appear. Try to avoid busy parts of the photo. Clean backgrounds or areas with consistent color help with readability. Type your text into the box. Keep it concise and consider line breaks for balance. Next, pick a font that matches your tone, something bold for headlines or a clean sans serif for modern minimal looks. If you're pairing fonts, keep it simple to avoid clutter. Adjust the size using the plus and minus controls. Aim for a size that's easy to read without overwhelming the image. Then choose a color. High contrast is key, dark text on light backgrounds or light text on dark areas. If the background is mixed, plan to reposition the text shortly. You can stylize the text by toggling bold, italics, underline, or strike through. Use these sparingly to create emphasis without making the design feel heavy. When you're happy with the initial look, click anywhere on the canvas. A prompt will ask if you want to convert to a blend board. Click Yes. This moves you into a more advanced layout where you can fine-tune layers on the right panel. Here, you can select the text layer, adjust its order relative to other elements, and refine its properties. To perfect placement, click, hold, and drag the text to move it around. Look for natural alignments with edges or subjects in your photo, and keep a comfortable margin from the borders so nothing gets cut off. When everything looks right, click Blend. This applies your changes and prepares the image for export. After blending, download your finished design and save it as a PNG for sharp, crisp text and broad compatibility. That's it. Simple, clean text on your image in OpenArt, ready to share.